Verification of Pythagoras theorem. In the construction work of a building, John, a worker, is trying to climb up a wall using a ladder. But he doesn't know how long ladder he actually needs. He's trying to find a ladder of desired length. You will be amazed to know that the length of the ladder required can be found out by using mathematics, especially the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, let's see how. We can see that a right-angled triangle is being formed with the ladder, the wall and the ground. Label this triangle as triangle ABC, right-angled at B with sides A, B and C. By Pythagoras theorem, B squared is equal to A squared plus C squared. Now let us verify it. Construct 3 squares on the sides of the triangle ABC as shown. Let us consider a square-shaped tile of side 1 unit and place such type of tiles in square 1 and 2. Here we see that 9 tiles cover exactly the space of square 1 on side AB and 16 tiles cover exactly the space of square 2 on side BC. Therefore, area of square 1 is 9 square units and area of square 2 is 16 square units. Now, by using these tiles of the squares 1 and 2, we will try to cover the space of square 3 on hypotenuse AC. We see that the tiles of both the squares, which are 25 tiles, covers exactly the space of square 3 on hypotenuse AC. Therefore, the area of square 3 is 25 square units. Also, area of square 3 is equal to area of square 1 plus area of square 2. Thus, we can say that in a right-angled triangle, square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides of the triangle. This verifies the Pythagoras theorem.